in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if double tap is not working on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select your little Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then once you're in here, you want to select the Accessibility button on the left panel. And then there should be an option that says Pointer Control over on the right side if you scroll down. Underneath Motor, go ahead and select that. And then once you've done that, there should be options to adjust a slower setting up here for double click and spring loading speed. You may want to adjust that. And then if you have a trackpad option on the left panel, let's say you're using a MacBook device, you would select trackpad on the list of devices over here. And you want to make sure tap to click is enabled. And then you want to reconnect any Bluetooth devices that may have been disconnected by going up the Bluetooth up here. Make sure it's toggled on and any Bluetooth devices should be properly connected down here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.